Jury selection is scheduled to begin on August 10th, and prosecutors are currently seeking a life sentence rather than a death penalty.
So why does Suge Knight name matter so much? Suge Knight is a former CEO and the co-founder of Death Row Records. At the time of the shooting, Tupac was one of Death Row's biggest artists, and Suge was one of the most powerful figures in hip-hop. On September 7, 1996, Suge was driving a black BMW in Las Vegas. Tupac was sitting in the passenger seat. They had attended the Mike Tyson fight and were traveling to a nightclub when a white Cadillac pulled alongside their vehicle and opened gunfire. Tupac was seriously wounded and dead 6 days later at only 25 years old. Suge was also injured, but he survived. That made Suge the only living person who was actually sitting inside Tupac's vehicle when the shooting happened. He may potentially be able to speak about what happened before the shooting, what he saw when the other vehicle pulled up, and what occurred immediately after. Now, that doesn't automatically mean he saw the shooter's face or can identify everyone involved. But when the only surviving person inside the victim's vehicle is included on the witness list, prosecutors are naturally going to be interested in what he may say. Let's clear something up, because the wording of those headlines can make the situation sound more dramatic than it actually is. A witness list is a roster of people one side may potentially call during a trial. This particular list reportedly contains more than 200 names. That can include eyewitness, police officers, investigators, experts, and people who may only be needed to authenticate one specific piece of evidence. Being placed on that list does not mean that person has agreed to testify. It also does not mean prosecutors have made a final decision to call them. Some people on the list may never enter the courtroom.